Sa punto pong ito, makakausap din natin live dito sa studio si Ginoong Jim Paredes. Good morning po sa inyo. Welcome sa Unang Hirit.
Good morning.
Welcome.
Alright. Kakausap lang po namin kay Roland, no?
Yes, I wanted sana nasabay kami, yun ang request ko, pero ayaw niya.
Alright.
Just for the record.
Unahin ko na lang ho,
Okay.
mag-apologize. Dahil may mga na-trauma na kasamahan siya at
Alam
mali
mo,
ang
yun ang
ginawa.
request.
Hindi
nila.
totoo yun na umalis yung dalawa. Hanggang sa dulo, 7 sila eh. They were 7 from the beginning till the end. So it's not true na trauma na umalis na. It's not true. I challenge that. Because I saw them. Nagpa-picture pa ako after that incident. I went there, nagpa-picture pa ako sa likod nila.
Ang sinasabi ni Ronald kanina, andun sila para magpahayag.
Yes.
Bakit nyo daw sila pinuntahan at yun, pinagsalitaan?
This is not the first time they did it. The first time they did it was correct. Anti-Marcos burial, dun sila sa may kampo, malayo. Hindi nakaka-provoke, hindi nakakano. Ngayon, they were right in front of People Power Monument. It's true, they were facing the other side, we were facing this side. But I think, I think they went there para mag-provoke. Nandun sila para manginis.
Alright, pinagbasehan niya rin daw ho yung tweet nyo
Oh.
na open naman, free for...
All colors.
Yes.
Yes. Like a party, pwede lahat pumunta. Pero kung mambabastos ka sa party, hindi naman tiyata tama yun. Gaya nga nung sabi nung security sa kanila, alam mo, nakikiusap kami, sana umalis na lang kayo. Parang iniihiyan nyo yung pagkain namin dito.
May I ask, anong part doon yung disrespect?
I had pro-Duterte friends who were there.
Oh.
Yes.
What part of that did you find disrespectful?
Provoking.
Their mere presence, the
Kasi hindi naman
tarpaulins?
sila nagchat-chat ng any daw na nakahawak lang daw yung tarpaulin.
EDSA is sacred to a lot of people. Andyan yung mga, who risk their lives. Maraming mga may relatives na namatay, maraming mga torture victims and everything. Even just your presence to be there, and this guy is not just a regular guy, He's very close to Bongbong. Look at I'll show you the picture. I sent it there. Oh. Ayan, see? So, hindi siya disinterested party, hindi siya yung, we're here to enjoy EDSA freedom. Hindi. Hindi ganun yun. I think there was malice there. Siyempre may mali sila talaga ron.
Bullying. You're being bashed on social media na ikaw daw ay nang bully ng mga
Okay.
bata, ng mga iba ang paniniwala sa iyo.
Sa social media, pag trinotroll ka, pwede mong i-delete o pwede mong i-block. Pag trinotroll ka in real life, makakatanggap ka ng sagot. Yun ang ginawa ko. Sumagot ako sa kanila. That is physical trolling, I think. Di ba?
Okay. So you're saying yung tweet nyo po, open to all, open for all,
Yes.
but,
Open to all. no? Pero, teka, mag-behave ka naman. In our rally, we took out all Duterte resign posters. Because we did not want to agitate anybody to go against the government. Ganun yun.
So wala ho talagang Duterte
Now,
resign banners doon?
Do you think I would be wise to go to a pro-Marcos rally? Even if I had the right to do it?
Definitely not. Pero doon po
Exactly.
doon po sa rally na yun sa People Power Monument, walang Duterte resign.
Pinalis namin.
Inalis.
Hindi ako organizer, pero alam ko, inalis nila.
But again, the question yung siguro ang sinasabi nila, wala kaming ginagawang provocative, wala kaming sinisigaw, walang nakasulat sa mga banners namin.
Ba't
I
nilapitan?
think doon
Parang
ho yung malaking disagreement Bakit kailangan nyo silang paalisin or pagsalitaan kung wala naman silang ginagawa, but except the fact that they're there.
Yes. And when we design na what do you call this? Alam mo naman sa rally, may init ang ulo, di ba? Bakit ka pa pupunta ron na mangiinis ka? I mean, honestly.
nakalipas
Was it
yung
the wise thing to do?
Jim, yung exchange of conversation nyo about EJK, extrajudicial
Yes,
killings.
yes.
Ito ngayon sa social media, naglabas si Vivian Velez na
Yes.
ba't ka raw magsasalita about EJK, yung, correct mo yung record, yung mother mo raw involved sa Light a Fire movement. Totoo ba yun?
Totoo yun.
Na
But Light a
marami
Fire
daw na
movement-
biktima ng bomba o something.
Walang
parang
namatay
ni Marcos.
doon. Walang namatay doon.
Naputulan ng paa si Nonoy.
Yes.
Oh.
My mother is not here to defend herself.
Okay.
No. All the people who are involved in that one are not here to defend themselves. So I think to give me like a minute or even to answer this. It's a very complicated thing.
Okay.
This is a historical event that only history will judge whether
Kung
it was,
tama,
it was correct or not. I can say a lot of things about Vivian Velez too. But I will not do that.
Yeah. Isang punto na lang po, no? Ang tanong din ho ng ilan, no? Bakit kailangang isubok kung ano yung political na paniniwala mo sa mga taong iba talaga ang political na paniniwala?
They had the right to be there, correct?
Yes.
Correct? I don't challenge that. Do I have a right to express? Yes.
Yes.
Right? Okay. I don't like their being there. I did not drive them away. But if they're gonna live troll me, sasagot ako right there. I have the right also. Di ba?
Oh, one final point, yung kanina.
Yung
Apology
pictures
daw.
Ay, apology pala, Jim. Oh.
You know, ako ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa social media. What do you call this? You see an old man, a famous man talking to these people, right? I actually wanted to, that guy na sinabi kong look at me, una nakatingin siya sa akin, pag lapit ko, gumanon siya. I wanted to actually look at him. Gusto ko sabihin sa kanya, gusto ko makita ang pagkatao mo at makita mo ang pagkatao ko. No? This is a tense situation. I want to talk to you as a Filipino. Eh, nagmatigas.
So, no
Hindi ba
apologies,
parang,
nothing.
so parang hugot mo to dahil sa mga social media trolls? Ganun ba?
Which one?
Yung mga nagbabash
Your-
sa iyo.
your
Kaya
reaction.
nung nakita mo sila parang,
Well, put it this way. To all those social media who just saw that thing, no? Okay. Give me the whole context of, you know, even that morning, no? My daughter is about to give birth today. Trinatroll pa siya na sana mamatay ang anak mo, sana ma-rape ka. Ganun ang situation doon. Now, do I apologize to those who do not understand the situation? I apologize because you do not understand the situation.